Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is CLP by Sage and Breaker. This is a biodegradable and non-toxic oil. It cleans, protects and lubricates typical guns exceptionally well. If you have not cleaned your firearms for ages, this is the ideal CPL oil to use. It largely reduces debris and dust buildup on your firearm compared to other oils. The oil is strong and will clean carbon, copper gunk, and lead quickly. The lubrication is capable of seeping away heat to keep your firearm cool when you take a shot. The fact that it is not toxic gives you benefit of the doubt that you will not pollute the environment and it will not harm your skin. However, the only problem with CPL by Sage and Breaker is that it has a citrus-like pungent smell that could be exasperating to a sensitive nose. Let's watch how to clean with this CLP.
First, please make sure your handgun is not loaded and the magazine is removed. Take your Sage and Breaker CLP, pump a few squirts down the ejection port, and then a few more down the muzzle of the bore. Then let it sit for a few minutes. Next, take your Sage and Breaker bore cleaning kit meant for your caliber. Send the brass weight through the ejection port and down through the end of the barrel. Grab the brass weight and pull the bore cleaning kit all the way through the bore. Spit shine clean. Sage and Breaker's bore cleaning kits and CLP. The best your money can buy.
Our second best gun cleaning solvent is Hoppe's No. 9. This gun bore cleaner is a widely popular gun cleaning solvent. This is a brand that you can put your faith in. It's cheap, ultra effective, and super easy to use, so it'd almost instantly become your favorite gun cleaner. You can't really go wrong with this one. It is coming in a small and lightweight 5 ounces bottle with a childproof cap. It's highly convenient as well. The classic formula of this solvent is known to be significantly potent and safe to use at the same time. It isn't as smelly or hazardous as others. It can penetrate deep into the filth of your guns and quickly remove all the unwanted materials like lead, powder, rust, metal fouling, etc. with incredible efficiency. As a result, your firearms would always remain in mint condition and offer peak performance. This universal bore cleaner can handle a wide range of firearms, so you can rely on it to clean almost any type of gun. Whether it is a deer rifle, an AK-47, or even a revolver, it will clean it nice and easy. Number 3 in our list is Breakfree CLP2. This uniquely designed unit provides superior performance in any weather at any time. With its special formulation of synthetic oils and top-grade ingredients, you'll be able to clean, lubricate and give protection to the metals at the same time. Thanks to the aerosol spray system, you will enjoy an easy application. It is astoundingly effective in getting into the tightest spaces, allowing you to remove pretty much any grime that is reducing your firearm's performance. Feel free to apply it on your shotguns, Arkansas S, Alaska S, revolvers, etc. as it is designed to handle a wide array of guns. This oils offer incredible viscosity that remains unaffected by the extremity of the environment. It won't dry out or even stiffen up, so you can feel free to use it under any condition. Moreover, it is tested to perform rather well in both cold and hot temperatures. Our fourth pick is Hoppe's Elite Foaming. This spray-on foam feature eliminates the chance of leakage. It is almost odorless, so if you aren't a fan of strong smells, you can go for it. Besides, it is made with non-flammable and non-toxic materials, so you're offered safety in use. Most of the solvents fail to dissolve carbon fouling, but not this one. It will ensure all the residues are completely removed so that you're left with a firearm that looks and works almost as good as new. Besides cleaning, It will lubricate your guns to enhance their performance and keep them protected. So, this is quite a versatile product. Additionally, it can be used on almost any kind of weapon. This one comes at a pretty cheap price too, so you get top-notch quality without hurting your wallet. Last in our list is Breakthrough Military Grade Gun Cleaning Solvent. It has been designed to clean in less time and just as effectively as most other top-rated cleaners on the market. Breakthrough pride themselves on their ability to penetrate the pores of the metal and lift contaminants away, as well as breaking down carbon deposits. Thanks to this, you shouldn't need to clean your firearm as often, but when you do, it should take half the time. Let's watch more about this solvent.
Okay, here's the bottle of Breakthrough. It's clear, as you can tell, and then there's another Ratworks switchblade there beside it, just for just for something to look at while I'm doing the video. I'm going to read you some of these things here. It says removes all fouling. It says benzene free. I don't even know what benzene is, but I'm glad it's not in there. It's pH neutral, non-corrosive, does not freeze. It's not flammable. Okay, I wish it was flammable. You never know when you might need that. Anyway, not flammable, not water-based, virtually odorless. I'm going to tell you that it, for all intents and purposes, it is odorless. Low toxicity, low vapor pressure, non-carcinogenic, no components of or characteristics of hazardous waste. And that's it. Breakthrough Military Grade Cleaning Solvent. All right, folks, so that's it. Breakthrough. Check those guys out. I like this. I can't find any reason not to like it. It doesn't stink. It cleans the gun. It's relatively like I said, it's just great. I mean, it's a good balance between cleaning power and toxicity, which is none. So this is great. I can, and I got a grandkid now, and I don't want to worry about him getting something on his skin or whatever. So I've quit using all the old caustic solvents. So I'm gonna stick with the Breakthrough for a while and see how that works out. This is James Jacob for Tactical Response, reminding you that your responsibility to be ready for the fight never ends.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!